very happy new year everyone, and I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss the difference between rasterized image and a smart object, and also I would be telling you about a vector object. So make sure to watch video till end, and there is a lot of learning in the video. So let's move to my screen and I am going to teach you the rasterized image and smart object. So let's now move to my screen. So yeah, we are at my screen now, and I am now, this is a vector and this is a smart object, and this Kung Fu Panda one is a rasterized layer. So now I will show you the difference between rasterized layer, rasterized object, smart object, and a vector. So let us hide smart object and rasterized object for some time, and let us scale this, and let us scale more. So now we have scaled this, and you can see it is not pixelated. Pixelated means its pixels are not bursting out. It is not getting, quality is not getting quality is not becoming bad basically. So the vector is not made of pixels. It is made up of some formulas or some equations. Mathematically it is made up, so that's why it does not contain any pixels. So the quality will remain same when you will increase the size or decrease the size. Now let us hide this, and now let us move to a rasterized one. So this is my rasterized object, and now if I scale it, you can see the quality starts getting bad. The image is getting pixelated and the quality is getting bad. As much as you zoom, the quality will get more bad. So on rasterized object is made up of pixels. When you will scale it, the quality will get bad, and when you will scale down, let me just do Control Z. So suppose now I have taken rasterized object here, and it is its original size, and when I scale it down, when I make it small, so when I will now again zoom this, so it will get more pixelated. For example, I have zoomed it here, okay, and now I have selected the image. Now I am going to zoom it again. So you see its quality gets more and more bad. The image got more pixelated. So this happens only in rasterized object. So basically when you scale it down, all the it only adjusts into screen's pixels, and rest of the pixels are lost. So when you scale up it again, so the lost pixels cannot return back, so it is completely gone. So now let me go back. Yeah, now let us see our smart object. So when you will increase the size of the smart object, let's increase. So it will start getting pixelated. You can see the object has started getting pixelated, but when you scale it down, it will retain the pixels. You can see the text, it started getting pixelated, and when we scale this one down to the same proportion which we take earlier, oh, where the object is now, yeah, uh, just a sec. So when you scale it down, it is maintaining the same pixels. Okay, it will take some time. So it is maintaining same pixel. Similarly, when you small this and pressing enter. And when you scale this, it is maintaining same pixels. When you scale it, it started getting pixelated because the pixels in the image cannot be increased. But you when you decrease it, the pixels will decrease, but it will hide rest of pixels. The rest of pixels will not get destroyed. So when you again scale it up, so it is retaining its original pixels. When, for example, let us suppose the image contains 100 pixels and I scale it to 10 pixels. So when I again scale it back to 100 pixels, those 90 pixels are not lost, which those which are lost in the rasterized image. And the vector image is not made up of pixels, so yeah, we can't do it. And another difference is, let me open a rasterized image. I can simply use I can simply use my eraser tool, my paintbrush tool on this rasterize object. But when it comes to this object, let us hide this. And when it comes to this object, I cannot use. It will ask you to rasterize layer. Means it will not hide the pixels again if I convert into rasterize layer. So now, if I scale it down and again scale it, so its quality will reduce. So many the operations like paintbrush tool and eraser tool and many more tools you cannot use on smart objects. So this thing you have to keep in mind. You can only use this with rasterize object. And when you convert any smart object or vector into rasterize object, the term is called rasterize. So that's it in the video. I hope you have gained a lot of knowledge, and if you have liked the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also like the video and share the video with friends. So yeah, I will see you in the next video and enjoy your new year. So yeah, bye bye.